Pending.
It's gonna dump.
Oh, I hope it stays like this. They left it the same.
Rates unchanged. No expectation of a rate cut.
Or would you look at that?
They're still forecasting 3 rate cuts this year, so
Equal highs on the hour, dude. See if it can break through it.
No, whip it down. FOMC, this is like the Olympics for trading.
Yeah, buy side up here.
Take out Monday high, huh?
Let's see what dollar's doing on the 1 minute.
Dollar bills, dollar bills, dollar dumped. Dollar dumped. Dollar right now, yesterday's high, dumped.
DXY. DXY.
Pump it up. You gotta pump it up.
All right. Testing the dollar 1 minute theory once again.
Oof. Whippage.
This is where we're gonna have some volatility because we just tapped into the daily fair value gap.
Daily fair value gap. Oh, I see that.
Let's see if this idea will stick. Don't execute on this, but let's say like we bought it here and we throw our stop underneath this 1 minute FVG. Let's say that's a B position. No lower wick to that 5 minute.
Inefficiencies coming into play.
Yes, all-time high. Dow all-time high.
Not yet. Dollar dumpy.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Arrow inside
Yeah.
that daily FEG.
Yeah, 50%.
QQQ puts are dirt cheap right now.
Yeah, obviously. I just mooned it for FOMC.
Mm-hmm.
How much are they?
438 strike, 60 cents.
It's average.
Tap the 50% of the daily FVG. That one hasn't even started talking though.
Now they're clearing everyone's beach ass out.
Huh? That's why I said don't take that.
I think it's gonna carry on here. Down.
What are you gonna do though? Take a 33 handle stop?
No. I'm just watching the dollar 1 minute and seeing how it plays. We just full port. Left behind equal highs.
I'm debating on this option right now or not.
Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything.
Unless you're full blown, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna just take this, and if I lose that premium, I'm okay with it. Then go for it. But if you're not in that mood, don't do it.
Yeah, $60, I'll take it.
Risk of the Gaia.
The gambler, the gambler of the group.
Achterna, the risk of the Gaia.
Oh my god, never mind, it jumped up. It's $1.50 now.
Yeah, because everyone wants to see a short now.
It's 2 stage delivery though.
Exactly why they're gonna run this thing up. Trap them orders, baby. Trap them orders.
That first 1 minute FVG. Interesting how they made it here. Ran it up to the daily fair value gap. Dropped it from the 50% and then created a fair value gap at the 50% on the 1 minute time frame that we're inside right now. Those 3 candles closed below the daily fair value gap.
Dollars heading for those 1 minute inefficiencies. It's pulling down more.
I know it's too early, but I could potentially see this we could drop this thing down. It is early, bro. It's way too early. 2 stage delivery. Got Powell talking in 15.
Whoa.
with no manipulation, that's exactly what I see. And we have the same models on the board.
For all of them.
You know,
I feel like if they wanted to drop it off, they would have went already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting the same thing here.
Okay.
They might just drop it enough to take the people out of the long positions. You know, when Powell comes back, pump it back up.
Want you to know, pump it up.
Just gotta be patient.
Order really.
I think we've just gotten so good that I could trade the manipulation too. That bird is crazy.
That bird lives outside my
Long one today.
lives outside my window, bro.
So peaceful.
In this silence, I am seeing. In this silence. have this idea if we push above here, something like that, chase out this high. Into
Would you execute on it?
something small maybe?
You're trying to attack me?
It's just too obvious on the short side, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it play out all the way until 12.
Same.
Walk away for a bit. Grab a ciggy. A man that doesn't clean his bed in the morning will never be a profitable trader. Quote unquote, the maniac.
Oh, that's crazy. I was literally just fixing my bed.
What if you have your wife do it?
That means you're set, bro.
Yeah, I'm dead, dude. If your position landed underneath this FVG, you could roll that BE. Like my position is right here. So it's like right there.
I love that quote.
If it makes a new high off of that level, we're in this move. This one's lit. The FedEx driver is lit.
Those runners from yesterday with the FOMC push. Fat. You should be coming on in 3.
Ryan, if I took that position, would this be a good spot to take a partial since we broke that
Yeah.
high?
Yeah, I just took a partial. I had 7 contracts on, I just took 2 off.
Mhm.
How this 15-minute closes is crucial. They got the 50% of that previous wick. Bang, bang. Not a bad spot for another partial. I only have 2 left. Here we tap that daily again.
He just got on stage.
He's on.
Of course he did.
He's on. Manipulation for 30 minutes straight. I'm serious. Played this way too many times, bro. But it's good though. We can still capitalize on a few handles in the FOMC 15 handle range.
Yeah, exactly. Hey man, we got a total of 57 handles on that run. It's no joke.
Mm-hmm. Practiced a little bit of 1 minute criteria entry.
I'll say that the ongoing process in bringing inflation down is unsure, and the path forward is unsure.
It could be a short right there, but I think they're playing it in this area.
Yeah, bro, I'm waiting until he's fully done.
I have a mental that like if this is the short, it'll be something like this. If you took this original one with like 5, this is like a 2. Bring that B. Snap the low. Good partial spot. Maybe take one off of that 2 and have one left. How we destroy FOMC. Eh?
Straight dump.
Let's see if they catch the ball.
He's on the Forex Factory. By the way. Actually, never mind.
Hey,
He's on.
people in this live chat are hilarious, bro. They just keep screaming dump or pump.
Yeah, the best place to watch him is thefed.com.
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, the Fed, the real website is the
Look
best.
at the 1 hour candle on Dow arrow. Look at the 1 hour candles right now. That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Just like that. That's why you run the PE.
Telling you, bro, manual intervention. Manual intervention. It's when even though it looks like it's the move,
It's not.
it's not the move, bro.
FOMC play. Yeah, I've locked in a shit ton of profit, so I'm just gonna kick back and wait until he's done. Is anyone watching him?
Yeah.
That's nuts. 40-point wick on a 1-minute candle.
Keep me posted.
I haven't even touched shit, and I don't want to.
Last year, again, let me see when we took the move last year. I think it was around 1240.
After he's done talking, the people ask him a bunch of questions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but every time it's different, bro. Sometimes he just dips.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes he just has to have coffee with Eric, so he dips.
Yeah. Oh, but it's been a very long time that we've gotten that FOMC play.
I agree.
Been a long time.
Been a long, long time.
To get what FOMC play?
The FOMC play.
Oh. I don't think I've experienced that.
This is gonna shoot back up. Let him run it. It's gonna set up, don't worry. I hope you guys locked in profits when I said.
I didn't take anything.
Yeah.
Damn, I haven't taken anything.
It's FOMC either way. Worst comes to worst, Friday TGIF.
Yeah, bro. Just let it do its thing. Last thing you want is to be a participant of the misery of blowing accounts, bro.
Last thing I want is to get into a trade, it goes against me, and I'm like, why did I even take it?
I'm gonna delete this. Let's put a line here so we have the 50%. Dow equal highs. What a crucial level. If they drop this thing back down into the wicks of 1133 and start pushing it up from there, that's gonna be the long. If they do that, they might just run it up from right here, like these wicks right here. So like I'm thinking something like this. Let's see.
What's the vibes? Sorry, I had to take a phone call. Dollars and straight donkey.
We just got a 50 handle move in one direction and a 56 handle move in the other direction. So we've already bagged about 100. So
Let's do it, dude.
that's right now. And we're just kicking back, waiting for Powell to finish up his
Do you have an overall bias set? I have a feeling that this thing's gonna explode up.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this. Like
The way,
last of these wicks and then start to whip back up.
yeah, the way it just rebalanced everything, the way dollar rebalanced everything on the 1 minute, and the structure right now just looks like it's gonna explode.
It's the third touch to FEG, Lev. You already know.
Third touch to which FEG? Which one are you looking at?
This 1 minute FEG in here.
For the short side, so it's invalidated on the short side. That's what you're saying, Chad?
Yeah.
Oh, baby! A triple.
Triple double.
Oh, man. Trading's very easy when you leverage properly. Trading is too easy when you leverage properly.
I'm gonna run that BE. Might get BE, but I took a partial here. My position is actually right here.
Oh my god. I didn't even realize what I entered. No bueno.
Doing, Chief? How you doing, Chief?
Fantastic.
Clear out some more partials off the live. Get the account to a healthy state.
Let's see what this is gonna attack. Let's see what dollar's gonna attack. Dollar has some lows it's about to take out. So we still have some room to move up. And Nas has equal highs.
Yeah, I know. I'm targeting that as my next take profit.
Oh, man, I'm so anxious. I need water. Too much coffee. Is Powell still talking?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, he's getting asked questions.
This is where it gets interesting.
This
The
is where it gets
questions.
nasty.
He says one thing during that questionnaire and it's fucking like explosion. Tagged out.
I'm about to be.
Ars, give a heads up if he's up, if he's off.
Yeah, I will.
Equal highs left above. You think after he's done talking, it's gonna just take it out?
Probably.
I like the way the candle held that OB.
And the 1 minute FEG.
Yeah. New 15 minute. New 15 minute. No, I ended up re-entering it. A smaller position.
I opened up the risk when it tapped down there. I threw it underneath here.
I like that.
Bang, bang.
I like that dynamic stop loss. I get more.
Take another partial here. I hate that I constantly have to change the damn stop loss amount, bro.
Yeah, that shit fucks me up with Trader 8. I wish you could just click the position and put fucking like stop loss this amount. So many things they can do to
Bang.
people.
Let's see the next TP level.
That's why I'm gonna switch brokerages soon.
Is it a trade ovate thing or?
Yeah, AMP futures doesn't do that. I'm probably gonna go over there.
I'm gonna take a little bit off here. I wasn't taking partials on the live side.
Why would them holding the interest rate the same cause bullishness?
Damn, that 15-minute.
Market certainty, I think. As long as there's less unknowns, market's bullish usually.
Interesting. That's a good way to look at it.
Yeah. Whenever there's uncertainty or like, you know, it could cause raise questions, usually that's a bearish move.
Taking partials along the way here, boys. Targeting that buy side right there. Bang, bang. It has to be one of the easiest FOMCs I've played, bro.
Yeah, that was a little too easy. Did anybody not re-enter the thing? Like on that 1 minute candle if you got stopped out? Because I feel like that's important to understand.
I didn't get filled. I had the re-entry like a couple points lower, didn't tap.
I see.
That shit happened to me yesterday, bro. That's why I was like, nah, man, I'm not getting stopped out there. Remember my entry yesterday, Lev? It looked identical to this, and my entry was right here with the BE. It came, tapped me out, and dipped out.
Yeah.
Oof! I love the way my live chart looks right now. I just looked over. It's a little dirty. A little dirty son of a gun. Drop a screenshot real quick.
Drop the screeny, baby. We're going to Valhalla, boys. S&P Dow, ATH.
How's dollar doing, Lev?
Dollar is continuing to dump. It's taken out that sell side. It's still moving on down very strong. Next sell side is like these lows on the 15-minute. I don't know if it's gonna stop here.
It also just tapped that daily fair value gap from December 13.
Yeah, I keep taking partials and moves my futures trades up, bro. But I have two riding right now.
What's Nvidia doing?
I'm gonna leave these two, I think.
Is it pumping?
Nvidia's pumping. That's good. Nvidia just came out with news about some new processor shit, bro. I feel like this thing's gonna moon even harder.
Lev, what do you think I should do? Hold the two contracts, or should I clear it out for a total profit of 750 on the account? I'm on equity 486.
486?
Yeah.
I don't get what you mean by that, Gank. I'm sorry.
I've closed out 486.
How much are you floating?
761.
761. Are you above the 50% of the account?
No. It's a fraction.
Leave it for a little bit longer and just like
I'm just concerned about this low, bro. Look at this 15-minute candle right here.
Take a partial then.
Very bullish, but I'm just concerned about this low, and my position is pretty much right here with my partial taking. It floated my position up into this wick.
Clear a little bit more out and leave a nice runner. You only have two?
Yeah, I only have two.
Clear one, leave one. And like, let's just see if that one runs, how hard it runs. Because S&P and Dow are in an all-time high area. Every time these motherfuckers are at all-time high, they just fucking run.
Done.
But I get what you're saying too. I have a feeling that it might come back there as well.
Yeah, man. I'm concerned. I'd rather take the profit and have it come back and tap that area and I could get a re-entry potentially. Because The way I see it is like the 5 minute, this is the breakout of the FEG, right? So in theory,
Mhm.
it should come down, tap this, and then run up. Unless it just took out buy side, and it's gonna flip this entire thing into the second half of this FOMC.
We
Like,
got 9 minutes
yeah, how
left on the
nasty
hourly.
that would be if this 4 hour candle flips and then next 4 hour candle just floods.
We
And
tapped
the
into that last
structure up
daily fair
here-
value gap.
Yeah, the structure up here is pretty bad.
Look at the daily. Look at that last daily fair value gap. How it just and it tapped.
This
Yeah.
is major. This is what Eric's eye has been on. Like our Cedar accounts passed this thing, but this guy hasn't. This is the daily fair value gap right here.
It could. There is the potential of the flip on the 12 p.m. candle if it's going to be on any candle. So I feel like you could write it out for 11 a.m.
I don't know, man. I've closed out 6 bills. I think it's sufficient for FOMC, not taking a hit on the account, catching like plus handles, properly risked and everything.
If the hourly does break up above that daily FEG and it sticks, it's full blown long, Jeff.
We are playing at the high of the daily fair value gap right now, so
Yeah.
bullish close on top is very bullish.
Yes, but on the trading view chart on June contracts, we're inside of it, Eric. Is this purple box I have?
Yeah, exactly what I mean.
If this 11
a little different.
100 handle run, boys. Gotta play the gong for you. Bang.
power handle alive.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm saying if this 11 a.m. sticks above that daily fair value gap, we can expect 12 a.m. to carry on, 12 p.m. to carry on up, Jeff.
What time? 12 a.m. to carry on up. Yeah, if 12 a.m. can start,
Yeah,
drop
sorry.
down without making upper wick and then go float to take it out, yes. Something like that would be nice.
These last 7 minutes are crucial. Trade of 8. Trade of 8. Right, you gotta hit the gong.
I know. I don't have time to play right now. We'll do it after session.
10 pounds on the bicep.
No, it should be.
No. Like the Papa said, I asked Papa if I could do bicep curls, and he said sure.
Would you try any pull-ups?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let me see.
Lev's brothers like bicep. I thought he said, "Hey, bro, did it just tag by side?" A boost. Interesting. Your chart is at the 50% of the daily FVG. Mine is just broke out of it.
Are you looking at NQ1, NAS 100, or are you
I'm looking at the CFD NAS.
Yeah, I'm looking at June contracts. My Cedar chart is playing right on top of it. Like this candle right now just wicked the top of it. I think 12 a.m. can accelerate this to here and then maybe set something else up. We're along for the ride. We're along for the ride.
At this point, I usually haven't seen a FOMC reverse. Like I've never. If it would do it, like from what I remember, it would do it in like that range that it broke out of.
Yeah, it just remember last time we had a similar situation. They ran it up and then they set it up 1 minute time frame, dumped it. Like
And then the next day
it
came
was
in and
at like
reversed.
12:20 that they did that shit. That's what I'm concerned about.
Yeah.
The way that
I'll
this
be right back.
minute FEG in here set up was really nice, bro. This basically it would need to take this out for this entire structure to flip. Like it would need to take this out, use this as inversion, and then drop off. All of this was the liquidity buildup right here. Triple D, one more drop down, liquidity grab, and then push it up, flip structure, return, bye-bye. So to bring this thing back down, use it as inversion, and then drop off, that's the next possibility. But for the time being, let me see. We could go like this, go like this. And that coffee did the trick today.
They're still asking questions. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah, let him stop talking. Once he stops talking, we'll have clarity. But bro, we've just capitalized on over like 300 handles over here.
Howard looking fire today, bro, with that purple tie.
Damn, he has a purple tie on?
Yeah, with the Rolex
Hey, be honest, you told him to put on the purple tie.
on the.
You text him, you're like, hey, you better put on your lucky tie tomorrow, huh?
Told him to throw on the black Rolex too.
Eric's gonna take him to like Masters or some shit after this.
How's dollar looking, love?
Dump.
Oh man. Made me catch my breath there for a second. I think dollar has some more distance in it. Like 103.304. Underneath that FEG 4 hour. Those equal lows. Right? Is that what you guys are seeing too? 4 hour FEG on dollar.
Oh, yeah, I see those. I see sell side from Friday until Monday, new week opening gap.
Thursday, Friday, yeah, Friday. That bro, I literally had an NWAG. You just opened them blasted.
Also, mark out the weekly fair value gap on the weekly time frame and look at it on the 1 minute time frame.
Weekly fair value gap. Which one, bro?
Very small on March 4th.
March 4th. Ah, I see what you're saying. It just snapped right through it, bro.
Yup.
It disregarded that thing. Full disregard for that FEG. It's like it didn't even exist. Why do I feel like this thing wants to reverse here? The way Dow blasted too, bro. They really want to run it up like that?
Is your Dow at all-time high?
Yeah. Well, no, this one? Yeah, it is. Yeah.
My US.
Every Dow chart is at all-time high. The way they blasted it was no joke, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, the way this thing blasted from here is no joke. Now imagine this next hour can bring this thing back into structure. set it up tomorrow, dump this thing if they do that. It all depends on what this next hour does. The fact that they didn't change rates, is very bullish, bro. Very bullish, because the rumor is still there of we're gonna cut rates. So that's what I was talking about, right? If they don't change rates, blast. If they do change rates and they cut rates, dump.
Yeah, they said they're supposed to cut it 3 times this year.
Yeah,
They're
the
saving
first
that shit for
cycle-
election season.
If somebody is listening to Powell, I don't know if he talked about it or not, but the first cycle should be towards the late spring, early summer. So I'm expecting summer bearishness. But until summertime, I think this is full blown bull.
I have his ass muted. I don't want to listen to the manipulation.
I don't think that they're gonna run it up like that. Like, it's gonna be very choppy. Like, especially after a day like today, all those inefficiencies left behind, all of that sort of needs to be balanced.
He's still talking.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I mean, depends how they run Thursday, but Friday could clean up a lot of those inefficiencies if we do get a TGIF.
I'm out of the futures positions. I'm holding my life.
That 11:35 and 11:36 and 11:41 and 11:44 on the 1 minute time frame is very strong, bro. That's the rebalance of the entire daily fair value gap on the left side.
Is he done talking?
And if
Nope.
and we're using the next, we're using the bigger FVG from March 4th and the smaller one from March 5th to run buy side right now. it doesn't really matter which fair value gap you look at because the high lands the same from March 4th and March 5th.
So many inefficiencies left behind, bro. That's crazy. So many inefficiencies left behind. If you haven't taken partials in a while, don't let these 100 handles go to waste.
Was popping.
Brand
Brand new long just hopped in.
Yeah.
I got options. Nasdaq short. Holiday locked in. No, I'm kidding. I was just trying to make it rhyme.
I love that.
Brr.
S&P, S&P, PPP, PPP. I'm ready for the new day. Ready for the new day.
If this daily sticks above that fair value gap, tomorrow's a full-blown long, huh?
Yeah.
Is it sitting above it right now in futures? Because on Cedar it is.
No, but it's close. Damn, Powell says they're not gonna make a digital dollar and the fucking has just dropped.
Mhm.
Powell's still talking?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like stupid questions right now.
Telling you, one day I'm gonna be sitting there asking him questions, but I'm not gonna have notes popped up for questions. I'm gonna have my cedar chart open.
Imposter.
I got a meeting to get ready for, man. Good day. Thanks, Ron. Eric. See y'all tomorrow.
Good stuff, press.
See ya mañana.
See you.
He's done talking and it moved.
Let him moon it. Let him moon it.
There it goes. Tomorrow might be
Buy
nice.
side, almost that buy side on my cedar chart has like another 7 handles in it. He stopped talking. He's done.
Yeah, he's done.
Nice.
Yeah, he's all done.
Nice.
12:20. Someone said that. Someone called it.
At this point, it just continues to go, huh? Usually until end of the day. I think that's what it did last time.
Yeah, it just depends on like how it wants to move, bro. I mean, honestly, like this could theoretically be like triple D almost, but that last 5-minute candle close is very strong.
Mm-hmm.
Take a lot for this thing to flip. A lot.
Mhm.
It would take like a lot of effort for this thing to flip. I'm telling you, the fact that they kept the rates the same is just telling me full blown moonski. This week we had longs at the low of the week.
Yeah. Dollar just ran to the weekly FVG, dropping off it.
Yeah, honestly, we've hit all TPs. I think we could call it a day here. Good work, boys. Enjoy your day. I would say maybe if you guys have any positions left, take one last partial, leave it until the end of market session just as a runner. Congratulations to whoever participated. This was a clean 61 handle run. This was a 16 handle run. Oh no, 41 handle run, and then this one was a 123 handle run. So close to 200 handles back. Good stuff. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. We'll we'll see if we're getting on with everyone tomorrow. Eric and I will talk after market close to see what we're gonna do.
Sounds good, bro.
Sounds good.
All right.
Alrighty.
I'll see you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care, guys.
See you, bros.